Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. If you've ever wanted to share your Instagram post on your Snapchat story, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's really simple, and I'll explain everything so you know exactly what to do. Let's get right into it. First, open Instagram and go to the post you want to share. Below your post, you'll see the paper airplane icon. That's the share button. Tap on it, and you'll see a horizontal menu with different sharing options. Scroll through until you find the Snapchat icon. Once you tap on it, Instagram will ask if you want to switch over to Snapchat. Just tap Open, and it'll take you directly into the Snapchat app. Now, Snapchat will display your Instagram post with the Instagram icon. At this point, you have two options. You can either attach the post's URL to a snap, or use the smaller button below to send the link directly to a chat. If you choose to attach it as a snap, it works like a floating sticker that you can move, resize, and position however you like. The best part is that it includes a preview of your Instagram post, so anyone who sees it can tap on it and check out your post directly. Once you've placed the sticker where you want, you can add text, stickers, or any effects you normally use on Snapchat. When you're happy with it, tap Send To. From here, you can choose to post it to My Story, so all your friends can see it, or send it directly to specific people. Tap Send, and that's it. Your Instagram post is now on your Snapchat story. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you later.